Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can apply filters on your search in the Tazz app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Tazz app. And tap on the bottom second icon, the search icon. Then here you will see filters below the search bar on the top side of your screen. Below the search bar you can see these filters, and you can see some discounts, for example, or you can choose a food type, what you would like to order. Let's say, for example, I would like to have some burgers or some fast food. I am some noodles or a sandwich. And tap on apply on the bottom right corner. And you can sort them by rating, or after reviews, or distance, or delivery time. And here you will have your results after your filters applied. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.